Hey guys, Braden here with L&M Custom Builders. Today we're out in Canyonville. We're forming up for this driveway. We got ties going into the existing wall, into the existing driveway. We got our form boards squared off the wall, coming out 24.5 feet. We ran it all the way out. Got a big old slope coming down. So we formed out to, I can't see, right there. And tomorrow we'll come out and wrap it. And then same with over here. We'll wrap from right there all the way around. Got our forms leveled and stringed off right there at the end of the driveway. We'll have to pop the form off to let a truck in. We got a lot of slopes, a lot of curves in this one. Existing pad. And then starts cornering right there. Thanks for tuning in.